Whoop, whoop. Am I okay?
My bitch probably one of the baddest. Good girl, turn her into a savage. This bitch got a problem in traffic. We can't do imagine.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Basically, I was on a roll, but that crashed because I got busy, girl, and my birthday came up. My birthday was so cute. Like, it was so cute. I was gonna vlog it, but I just wanted to like live in the moment, so you know I didn't vlog it, but it's okay because I got videos. As you can tell by the damn balloons, it was my birthday. I can't believe I'm 20. Like, how am I 20? How am I actually 20? My little self 20. Like, people say that's young, but I think that's so like mad. Like, bitch, in 10 years I'm gonna be 30. What? Also, wearing these balloons, there's a box. I forgot to show you. This box literally has snacks from my best friend, my mum, my auntie, my nail lady, my brother, everybody. But I'm gonna try these on camera because I want to try these out. My best friend got me these from America. I know probably everyone's tried them, but you know what? I haven't. So, okay. From what I know, I don't think I've tried these like ever in my life. I don't know. Oh, they look good. It's like my camera's gonna die, so we need to be quick. Do you know what? They just remind me of like Moroccan crisps. Like when I go to Morocco, the crisps taste like this. They literally taste like, I don't know, I thought they were gonna taste differently. They good though. They good. I'll give it that. This is nice. I like them. I don't know why the red is so appetizing. Like, it just looks good. My camera battery is red too, and that's not good. She got me these two. I tried these. These are the ones that I was like, they're nice, they're good. And she also got me these. I haven't tried these yet, but I love the packaging. Like, can they have this in England? Like, why do we not have this? I don't know what I'm saying. Somebody gotta fight. The camera cut. Okay, the camera cut when I was about to try these hoes. So we gonna try them together. I'ma force you. It's me right now. Today I'm gonna do my everyday makeup, but like an updated version. My makeup's obviously a little bit different than it was a year ago or so. So yeah, that's what basically this video is. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you know what, comment if you want to comment, because I love when people comment. It's so cute. Let's just get into this video so you can see how I did this look, and everything that I use will be in the description below, etc, etc, etc. Love you. Bye. I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. I just make them like really fluffy. Well, not fluffy, but like nothing extra, because we want to look like a natural Barbie. I'll take a concealer, C10.5 Revolution Conceal and Define. Put it on just for like the base of the eyeshadow, and you already know what eyeshadow I'm going to be using because I always use the same damn thing. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit. Trying not to get it on my eyelash extensions. I don't know how really people do that. It kind of cringes me out. Like, sis, no. Just blow it out a little bit just to make it look more natural. So I use the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea water foundation. This is the wrong shade, like it's too light, so I like to mix it. You see me, I don't know, like I don't know what's the perfect amount. I either just use too little or too much, and I'm like, girl, when will you ever get it right? Okay, now I take this brush. I was obsessed with this and I had to buy it, but now I just realized it's just a brush. It's not that deep. I usually use the Supersize Revolution Conceal and Define in C8, but I wanted to try this today, the Pro Conceal LA Girl. I think this is yellow, yeah, yellow. I'm only gonna use a little bit and probably mix it with the other one. I just want to see what it do. Use some on my nose a little bit. Just a little bit. It's about 20 seconds. I just use this Luxury Banana Powder. Sometimes I just go overboard, really, and just use way too much, but start contouring. I'm going to use my palette, my Revolution HD or whatever it's called palette, because it's kind of broken, so don't say a word, I don't want to hear it. Like this, look at this, look, I broke this the other day. I appreciate what I have, so don't come to me like, oh girl, y'all shit look stank, y'all shit look ratchet and beat up. Okay girl, shut your ass up. Contour just like that. I get this brush and just dust off everything. I'll take this brush, kind of put it as if it's contour. I get some contour, just a little bit. Bring it in with the eyeshadow, you get what I mean? Lightly, real light, not harsh, because we don't really want any like unnatural settings. And then I use the same highlighter, the sleek highlighter, and then I blend it. Okay, I just brush them up really. Okay. Brush out my eyelash extensions real quick. After that, I'll use brown lip liner. Just use it to give it like a vintage look. I use in my old video, I used to use the Huda Beauty, I think it was Sugar Mama or something like that, the matte lipstick, but now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Stripped. I really love this one because it's kind of similar to the other one, but I need to get my hands on that one as well because I love me some of that. That is usually the finished look, but I want to put lip gloss on because sometimes I do, most times I do. So yeah, I'm going to do my hair and then I'm going to come back and show you guys the finished pretty girl. You feel me? Okay, bye. Hi. I literally just what's that wave? Is it called a waver? God knows at this point. But yeah, I use one of them because I just wanted to do the front of my hair because I couldn't want to do the rest, and that's the literally exactly the same as my natural hair, because if I straightened it, it would have taken ages and I just can't be bothered for all this shit. So then it matches all the rest of my hair and I think it looks real cute. It looks like my natural hair, just a little bit more puffy. So it's all cool. It gets everywhere. I need to get bigger hoops. I'm a hoop lover. I like big hoops. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched this far, I appreciate it. This is the finished look. Everything I've used will be linked down in the description below. You know it's always love, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I went in Selfridges and they were like, girl, I'm sorry to tell you, but we don't got that. And I was like, dang.